Understanding the slope formula in mathematics. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental concept in mathematics, the slope formula. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone delving into algebra or coordinate geometry. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of the slope formula together. Slope, in mathematics, is a measure of the steepness or angle of a line. It's an essential concept in geometry and is widely used in various applications like physics, engineering, and everyday calculations. The slope is usually represented by the letter m, and is calculated as the change in y, vertical change, over the change in x, horizontal change, between 2 points on a line. The slope formula is a simple yet powerful tool to calculate the steepness of a line. It is written as m equals y2 minus y1 x2 minus by 1 meter equals frac y underscore 2 y underscore 1 x underscore 2 x underscore 1 m equals x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1, where m is the slope, x1, y1, x underscore 1, y underscore 1, x1, y1, and x2, y2, x underscore 2, y underscore 2, x2, y2, are the coordinates of two distinct points on the line. This formula tells us how much the line goes up or down for a given horizontal change. Understanding the values of slope is crucial. A positive slope means the line is going upward as you move from left to right. A negative slope indicates the line is going downward. A zero slope signifies a horizontal line. An undefined slope corresponds to a vertical line. Let's apply the slope formula to a real-life scenario. Suppose you have coordinates of 2 points on a road. Point A, 3, 2, and point B, 7, 6. By applying the slope formula, you can determine how steep the road is between these points. And that's a wrap on the slope formula. We hope this video has made the concept clearer and more approachable. Remember, mastering the slope formula is a stepping stone to more advanced topics in mathematics. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.